What's up everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're building a motion sensor LED light using an ESP32 PIR motion sensor and an LED, a resistor, a breadboard, and some wires. And this is honestly one of the best beginner projects because you're learning wiring, GPIO pins, sensors, LEDs, power, ground, and how to upload code to the microcontroller. So let's put this thing together step by step. Alright, so here's what you'll need for this ESP32 motion sensor LED setup. You'll need an ESP32 dev kit board, a PIR motion sensor, a 5mm LED, a 220 ohm resistor, a breadboard, and some jumper wires. In this setup, for the wires I used 1 male to male, 2 female to female, and 3 male to female. Now we're getting into the gritty stuff. Let's get into the wiring. You're going to want to keep your ESP32 next to the breadboard so it's easy to reach the GPIO pins with the wires. Now take the jumper wire from the ESP32 ground pin, which is GND, and run that to the blue negative rail on the breadboard. That gives us shared ground line. Now grab the PIR motion sensor. The VCC pin goes to the 3V3 power. The ground pin goes to the negative rail. And the out signal pin goes to the GPIO pin 27 on the ESP32. That pin is what lets the ESP32 detect motion. After that, place your LED into the breadboard. Remember, the longer leg is the positive side of the LED, and the negative leg is the shorter one, but you can also tell that the molding has a flat side on the LED, and that'll be the negative leg as well. Also, it's very important that you put the LED going across the center gap of the breadboard. That center gap of the breadboard is crucial. What it does is it's going to make sure that the negative and positive aren't connected to the same rails. So if you see here, I'll open up the back and you can actually see how the positive and negative rail, they go up and down parallel on the breadboard. And then these rows across have 5 pins, and then they go parallel to each other all the way down the breadboard, but they have that center gap. Now take a jumper wire from GPIO 26 on the ESP32 and connect it to the positive leg on the LED. And now for the resistor. Connect one side of the resistor to the shorter negative leg on the LED. Then connect the other side of that resistor to the negative ground rail on the breadboard. So now the LED signal comes from GPIO pin 26, and the resistor safely limits the current before going back to the ground. Double check everything, and once everything looks good, plug in the ESP32 into the computer using a USB data cable, not just a charging cable. And you're ready to upload the code through Arduino IDE. I found the code for this by using AI, but you can use Google or whatever search engine. Now we're going to put that code into the sketch, and we'll go up to Tools, and we'll make sure that the correct board, the ESP32 dev module, is selected. And if you're not able to see that, you might have to install those or install the correct driver into your computer so it can read the ESP32 boards like CH340 or CH341. But then also you got to make sure that the correct COM port is selected. And once everything's set, go ahead and hit Upload Sketch. Now just wait a few minutes for that to upload and the sketch to be completed. And once it gets done compiling the sketch, you're going to have yourself a motion detecting light. Check this out. Boom. Just like that. Alright. Well, I had fun, and I hope you guys did too. And catch me on the next one, alright?